Today we're going to be installing a Thuren's shackle kit, they call it. It's supposed to give the Dodge a 1 3/4 inch lift according to the internet, their internet site. I've already removed the factory shackle, and what I did, and by the way, this bolt is a T60 Torx. Not that you can get a Torx in there on the bolt the way that Dodge has it installed. See, the way Dodge has it installed, they have the bolt coming in from this direction. So in order for you to take out the bolt, you have to take and drop it below, as you can see, below the frame rail and below. I have a heavy duty hitch on this, one rated for 18,000 pounds, and I bought the truck with this hitch on it. So your hitch might not be as large as mine, so I had to actually take and drop it down below, as you can see. Drop it below the hitch in order to get the bolt out. And I took and chopped the end off. The bolt that used to have a hex end on it that was smaller than the threads that stuck out about yay far. I took and chopped that off, and I'm going to take and install it properly. I think properly, at least. Alright, you can see here I've got it installed with the bolt, in my opinion, facing the right direction, so that all you have to do is take the nut off here and pull it out easily. As I said before, I took and chopped the nub off. See how close it is to the hitch frame here. I mean, this may not be a problem on other Dodges. They have maybe the factory hitch, which doesn't go back quite as far. See how this one's goes all the way back and is quite heavier duty than the factory one, at least for my year Dodge. And I got it torqued. Now it's time to measure and see how much actual lift I got out of it, because on their website they advertise that you're supposed to get 1 3/4 inch lift out of it. But the weird part is that, I'll show you in a minute, in the directions, they're claiming on the directions 1.5 inches. So we already lost 1/4 inch, I guess. I'll see what I actually got out of it. Alright, in conclusion, as you can see, the directions now say 1.5 inches. And on their website it says 1 3/4 inch. And measuring from before and after, I got slightly less than 1.25 inches of actual lift. So, even though they look like really nice parts, and powder coating looks really nice, like it's going to hold up. And I wish I had gotten as advertised when I bought the part, which I didn't look at their directions before, which I think you can look it up online, their directions. I wish I would have got it at least close to as advertised the amount of lift. So, but that's sometimes how it goes. So, thanks. Bye.